I'm going to sit in here and relax, be on the shade, and cut all these suckers right to the color of the branch. Okay, let's go to starting here. Me again, El Tico, all the way from Costa Rica, pura vida. In here I'm going to talk to you, I'm going to tell you a tip that I use, or a practice that I use when I'm going to be pruning a tree or a shrub. This is a popcorn plant, popcorn, or also cassia. And I'm going to show you this canopy, beautiful canopy from the outside. But from the outside, it's not telling me really how much I can cut or what branches to cut. I can cut a little bit of the lower branches because once I finish pruning the tree, the canopy of the tree should be balanced. And in aesthetic shape, something that will look pretty. But now I'm going to show you the inside of this shrub or large or a small tree. We're going to get inside, and then I want to start cutting the branches from inside out. Then when you come in here inside of this tree, you will see a totally different scenario, totally different shape of the tree. And then what I'm going to do in here in this cassia today, I'm going to sit in here and relax, be on the shade, and cut all these suckers right to the color of the branch. You don't need to see the outside of the canopy because I know that what I need to do first is cutting all these suckers. The plant doesn't need the suckers. This I will remove this stump that somebody left in here. I continue removing the suckers and the dead branches. By cutting this cut here, I'm going to start opening up the canopy on the top. I can see that. I don't need to see the canopy on the outside. Just by looking at the inside, I know what branch I need to cut to make the canopy of the tree look better. Open up the branch structure. That is the secret. Open up the branch structure. I am cutting the tree from the inside out. I have been learning that it's much easier for me to do that. Plus I am in the shade here in July the 14th, I believe. Then here I can see where this has to be cut, and then this one here has to be cut also to open up the canopy of the tree in there. Then now I can open this one, Then I know that I need to cut this one. Let me see. Yes. I need to correct this cut in here. Right to the ridge of the branch. beautiful. How sunset got in my hand. Then in here, this one we don't need it. This one we don't need it. Then in here I'm going to open that this one in here. I believe I need to cut that one, this one, all the way from the inside. And then we go outside, we're going to see the difference in the canopy of the tree now, or the shrub. Okay. This one is a crossing branch. We're not going to cut it, we're not leave it there. The material, I'm going to open that one a little bit, cut this the material. Then I move outside, going to my hand. Then this branch in here, we don't need it in here. It's going to be cut right there. Beautiful. This one is too low. We leave it in there. Now we clean this over in here. Correct this cut. In here, I think, yeah, we can cut this one. Open up a little bit this branch in here by cutting this one in here. I need to use my hand saw in there because of the angle, not enough room to work with my hand clippers. Pull it out this way. We got this one in here. That one there. This one here, correct the cut. Practically I can move this one in here. Open up a little bit the canopy. Open up the canopy in here. Open up the canopy in here. Open up with the canopy in here. Correct this cutting. Correct this cutting. Right to the rest of the branch. Then while I did this, working the tree from outside out, I need to bring a handsaw to cut that branch in there. I will cut this one in here to open up the branch structure a little bit down there. Pull it out and then just prune it this one in here. Then I will go out. We'll work on that one later. See. Then now I come here, I say, okay, what else do I need to cut in here? See how the canopy looks much open now, comparable with this one here, this one here. And that's it by cutting only the suckers. The suckers and the branches they are in between. So I open up the branch structure and then I now come here now. I say, okay, I need to remove these branches. They have these pads in here. So remove that one, remove all the seeds in here. I will cut it somewhere in here, cut it somewhere in there, somewhere in here. I will remove this in here because I don't want to remove this. This will produce leaves in there. Then I open this one here, but now just only here and outside, and then I start balancing the canopy of the plant in here, open up this center in here. Open up the center in here. Give the height that we need in here. Open up the canopy in here. Open out the canopy in here. We will leave the flowers in there, even so it's not too will be too balanced. But I like to have the flowers in there for the butterflies and the bees. So in here I show you how to work in a shrub, large shrub, a small tree, inside out, removing all the sucker. By removing all the sucker, practically the plant is going to be pruned. I hope with this video I will help you how from now on how to work in a large shrub, a small tree. Working first, looking at the inside of the canopy where you have those suckers, all those branches that you don't need. Remove those branches before you remove anything else in the tree, because you might remove the good branches and you leave the bad branches in the tree. So I hope this tip is going to help you to do the best when you prune your tree. So see you the next time. Hasta la vista, pura vida, mi amigo. You should be sure in there that you mark in there if you like me and you subscribe in my channel. Please, I need your help in there, your collaboration. Pura vida, all the way from Costa Rica, El Tico.